Stop by and take a look at the 2022 Bronco. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 3-cylinder, 1.5-liter engine and comes with an automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 3,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: 4-wheel drive, tire pressure monitor, turbocharged, blind spot monitor, heated mirrors, electronic stability control, alloy wheels, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, brake assist. Inside you'll find backup camera, smart device integration, keyless entry, satellite radio, auxiliary audio input, keyless start, steering wheel audio controls, security system, MP3 player, lane departure warning. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.